Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. So today I feel like I want to continue. I want to share, not continue. I want to do the age like a fine wine. Okay, this time on late 2014 until early 2015 like that. Okay, why I the memory come out because early of this month I tender my resignation with UUM after I served UUM almost 6 years. Okay, um, UUM is a great organization. It's a great organization in overall. Many good people. There are many good people there. Okay, many good people. All right. So I want to go back to the late 2014. Okay. Where on September, I think about September something, 2014. Okay. I will attend my convocation for my MBA, Master in Business Administration. 2 weeks before the date of the convocation, my ex-husband, husband on that time, asked for divorce. Suddenly, he asked for divorce. Okay. It's like all why, all why. So I still attend the convocation. Alright. And then I don't know what to do. Because he asked me to not just step out from the marriage, but also step out from the business, from our business. Okay, which is the main why I did my MBA. Alright. Then he took the car. I have little bit saving. Okay, little bit saving. I stay in the house that we rent with my daughter at that time. So I think, what can I do? Even on that time, at the first early where I still cannot disconnect with him, sometimes I need to call him to ask help to bring my kid to the nursery because he have the car. I don't have car. Okay, to travel. Until I remember, I use my small saving, which is very small, until I can buy SYM bonus. I think maybe like 1,100, but I asked the shop, can I pay 3 times? And then the shop said, okay, can. So I pay the first time. So 1,100 divided by 3 is like 300 like that. So I buy the bike. I use the bike to send my kid to the nursery nearby. And what I did is, I go to UUM. I go from Arau to UUM. I still remember, I go early in the morning, like 8 a.m. like that. Still got fogging like that. I go to UUM. I remember one time I go with my another 2 friends, which is Zufabli and another one. We go to SOE asking for position for PhD. And then I think I cannot do it in SOE, School of Education. So I go next time. I go to STM, School of Technology, Management and Logistics. I go to the office. I go to the counter, and then I said, I want to ask about any opportunity to be research assistant or any PhD with research assistant opportunity, because I need money. I need a job which is give me flexibility, because I'm a mom. I'm a mom to like 3 years old. Okay, So I don't remember who at the counter at the time, but she said, I don't know, he or she said, go inside, meet our postdoctorate coordinator. On that time is Dr. Abdul Aziz. So he is the first person I met at STM, Dr. Abdul Aziz. So I met him. I said, I'm alone with 3 years old daughter. I'm looking for any study opportunity, but my main thing is I need money. I need to work. Okay. I want to be research assistant. Right. And then Dr. Abdul Aziz said, okay, wait for a while. I have my friend that also looking for a research assistant. And then he called his friend, which is my first supervisor, which is Dr. Jafni. He said, yeah, I have a grant which I need GRA. Okay, graduate research assistant means you can be the research assistant, but on the same time you need to further your study, which is you already have your master. I suggest you to do PhD. And then I say yes. Okay. On that time I also got opportunity from USM, but I think like although the professor said like you can leave your kid to me when you go to laboratory, but I think like it's hard for me to start new life at Penang on that time with my kid. Okay. So I joined UUM as a graduate research assistant. And then on the February 2015, I got offer letter to continue my PhD, which is my first supervisor is Dr. Jafni, and my second supervisor is Dr. Abdul Aziz. Okay, alright. And I also able to send my kid to UUM International School. Okay. On that time, my kid got delayed speech. 2 weeks after she joined the UUM International School, she can speak fluent English. From no voice, like just small like rain. She can say, "Mom, I want to eat." I feel like, oh, this is very good. Why? Because the environment, because the teacher also speak English, all the kids speak English. Okay. And then I rent a house in Taman University. It's almost 400 ringgit, and it's surrounding by although non-Malays postgraduate students, so their kid also speak English, and then turn out solve my problem. My kid can speak English. Okay. Although Malay become her second language, but it's okay lah. Okay. Yeah. So from my GRA, I got 1,500 2 years contract, and then for my PhD, I got sponsored by my brain. Okay, my brain from Ministry of Higher Education. I got they pay everything, and they also give the pocket money 2,600. So in overall, I got like almost 4,000. Okay, almost 4,000 for a student. Okay, which is a lot. So big. A lot for me on that time, until I can buy one motorbike, which is CB650F. CB650F. I love Honda very much. So what I want to say is, I resigned because of my personal decision, which is I have a plan for my future, for me and my kid. In conclusion, UUM is a great place.